Hi friends! Today we're exploring the past, present, and future of collaborative intelligence, the journey from static tools to dynamic human AI ecosystems. Just 5 or 6 years ago, progress felt linear. But since large language models burst onto the scene a few years ago, the curve has become exponential. So let's dive in and explore where we've been, where we are today, and the exciting possibilities ahead. Collaborative intelligence is not just about building smarter machines, it's about creating a truly symbiotic relationship between human capabilities and AI capabilities. From my perspective, this journey unfolds in 5 phases, each shaped by distinct technological and organizational milestones. Along the way, artificial general intelligence, or AGI, may appear suddenly, radically transforming the landscape, or emerge gradually as systems gain increasingly generalized capabilities. The pace of progress will depend not only on breakthroughs in AI research, but also on how quickly society adopts these tools, the regulatory frameworks we establish, and the geopolitical and economic forces that can either accelerate or slow innovation. Before we dive into the details, here's the roadmap of the 5 phases of collaborative intelligence. We began with humans using static, rule-based tools, moved into assistive AI, and now we're entering the era of true human-AI partnership. Eventually, we'll see context-aware hybrid teams, and further ahead, fully self-improving ecosystems. Right now, we're here between Phase 2 and Phase 3, where assistive AI is already powerful and the first signs of deeper collaboration are emerging. Now, let's explore each phase in more detail. Phase 1 is where it all began, systems that execute exactly what they're told, no more, no less. These rule-based automations, from expert systems to industrial programmable logic controllers, follow hard-coded instructions without any ability to learn. They deliver efficiency but require humans to make all decisions and handle all exceptions. In this stage, AGI isn't even part of the discussion. These tools are precise in their function but rigid in their scope. This phase is now complete. It's part of our historical foundation. While some industries still rely on these systems, the frontier of innovation has moved far beyond them. In Phase 2, we enter the era of assistive automation. AI begins to take a more active role through machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive modeling. It can analyze data, automate repetitive work, and provide intelligent recommendations. Think of predictive analytics dashboards or AI copilots for coding. These tools accelerate workflows but still depend heavily on humans to define goals and understand the bigger picture. AGI is still out of reach, but the foundations for more advanced collaboration are being established. This phase is very much active today and remains a core part of modern workflows. These assistive tools are everywhere, but they continue to rely heavily on human strategic direction. Phase 3 is where true collaboration begins. AI systems move beyond executing predefined tasks. They start to understand context, adapt their reasoning, and even help define the problems themselves. Human-AI interaction becomes iterative, with each side learning from the other. Examples include cross-domain assistants that integrate knowledge from multiple fields and multimodal tools that combine text, visuals, and code. This is also where we might first see signs of proto-AGI, that is AI that begins bridging multiple domains, hinting at more general capabilities. This phase is emerging. We're seeing early adoption and development, but full-scale dependable contextual collaboration is still in its infancy. In Phase 4, AI becomes an active member of the team, aware of real-time context, capable of ethical reasoning, and contributing directly to decision-making processes. AI project managers, negotiation assistants, and dynamic planning systems operate alongside human experts. If AGI emerges as a breakthrough, this is the phase where it's most likely to appear, radically accelerating the shift toward fully integrated human-AI ecosystems. This is a future phase, but the building blocks are already in development. Early prototypes and small-scale pilot programs are being tested in controlled environments. Phase 5 marks the arrival of self-improving ecosystems, that is, networks where humans and AIs collaborate globally, continuously evolving the way they work together. These systems may autonomously refine their own collaboration protocols, optimize decision-making, and adapt to changing conditions at a scale no human team could achieve alone. In a gradual emergence scenario, this is where collective intelligence reaches or surpasses human-level generality, effectively functioning as a form of distributed AGI. This phase remains in the conceptual stage, with some exploratory projects underway, but no fully functional ecosystems yet. Right now, we're in a transition between Phase 2 and Phase 3. AI is already deeply embedded in automation predictions and content creation, but we're also seeing early signs of contextual understanding and cross-domain collaboration. However, long-term contextual reasoning and consistent reliability are still limited, meaning full Phase 3 maturity is yet to come. To sum up, collaborative intelligence is a journey from static tools to dynamic, self-improving ecosystems. Today, we stand at the crossroads between Phase 2 and Phase 3. AGI could arrive suddenly in Phase 4 or emerge gradually from Phase 3 onward. The pace of this evolution will depend not only on technology, but also on regulation, adoption, and societal readiness. The time to prepare is now, especially as AI's evolution is accelerating exponentially. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you found the subject as exciting and thought-provoking as I did. If you'd like more insights on AI, data, digital transformation, and other tech trends, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time.